Welcome to Toolbox. Today's topic is move. Move. Take the next step with purpose. The meaning of move is to change position, take action, or make progress, especially toward a goal or calling. It's forward motion with purpose. That's what move is all about. Move requires intention. Motion without direction leads to exhaustion, but intentional movement leads to progress. As John Wooden said, don't confuse activity with progress. Move demands courage. Change can be uncomfortable, but growth is impossible without movement. Fear often stands at the door of opportunity. Martin Luther King Jr. said, take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Move unlocks momentum. Movement generates momentum. Even small steps forward can create unstoppable force when consistent. Pablo Picasso said, action is the foundational key to all success. Today's daily proverb comes from the book of Acts, chapter 17, verse 28. In him we live and move and have our being. Our golden nugget for today, this week's gold nugget. Identify one area of your life where you have been stuck. Take one intentional step forward, no matter how small, and trust that God will guide your movement. Thank you for joining us for Toolbox, where we build character, live purpose, and repeat.